All right, here we go. Hello. All right, here we go. Today we're going to continue 5L16. So turn the page and write down 5L16 continued. C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E-D. 5L16 continued. Because I just feel we need a little bit more practice with doing this word plot of separating. All right, so we're going to do 3 more examples, and then I have a bonus problem for you to do. All right, and then if you can solve the bonus problem, you can turn it in for bonus points. Sound good? All right, so again, this lesson 5L16 is about word problems about separating. Who can tell me what is the word plot for separating that we learned yesterday? Christian? Sad. So would you please write that down? S minus A equals D. What does the S stand for? What did we learn yesterday? What does the S stand for, Hallie? Sum or starting amount. Okay, what we're starting with. Okay, remember separating, it's a sad concept because we are separating things. So we have a starting amount. What does the A stand for? We've got sum or the starting amount. What does the A stand for? Sadie?
Something amount.
No. Sally? What goes away? The amount that goes away. Okay, so we've got the starting amount or the sum that we start with, and then we have the amount that goes away, and then what does the D equal? Seth? Difference, absolutely. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice this. That's the bonus problem. I'll come back to that. I gave you these notes yesterday for you to look at. And remember, it's sad, thinking sad, 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 sad. All right, so now let's do some practice problems. Hey, please stop that tapping, guys. All right, so call this PS for practice set and write down number 1. All right, so write down number 1 for me right here, okay? All right, it says, I'll give you a hint, it is going to be a sad problem. So go ahead and start with writing S minus A equals D. And so we're looking for what's separating, okay? And the easiest thing to look for is always that starting amount, okay? 600 students started a painting club for the city. In the 6th month, there were 313 members. How many members dropped out of the club? Okay, do we know the starting amount of students in the art club? Yes, how many starting students did we have? Chesley? 600. We had 600. So realize we are filling this in. We are filling this in with the starting amount. There were 600 students that started it. Do we know how many went away? No, we don't. So we're going to leave that as the A. Do we know how many were left at the end?
Yes.
The remaining left. Yes, it was 313 members. All right, so now we've got our equation. That's what we're wanting to do here is we are wanting to set up the word plot, then plug in the numbers with the word plot. Now we're going to circle either the minuend or the sum to help us use the fact family to help us set this up. Since this is a subtraction problem, it doesn't have a sum. It does have a minuend. Who's the minuend in this problem? Joshua? 600. So circle the 600. All right, now the next step is to get our unknown alone. So we're going to say equals A. Are we going to add to solve this problem?
No.
Why do we know for a fact, based on our fact family lessons, that this is definitely not going to be added?
Because
Okay, I'm looking for hands up, not blurters outers. Lillian.
because it's a subtraction problem at the beginning, like you can't say, like you don't know the middle number, you know like the big number, and then the smaller number, but you don't know the bigger, the middle.
Okay, well, based on our fact family knowledge, why is this not going to be an addition problem is my question. Why is it not going to be addition, Chesley?
Because it would equal 600.
Bingo! It would equal 600 because the minuend and the sum are the same. Okay? Since 600 is not what's over here, it's not going to be addition. So we are going to subtract again. 600 minus 313 equals A. So we've used our word problem, our word plot. We've set up our equation. We've gotten the unknown alone. Now we want to solve for the unknown. Come over here, do your chicken scratch. Do not do this in your head. We do 600 minus 313. Okay, same page. All right, 0 minus 3. Can we do it? No. Can we go next door and borrow from this 0? No. We got to borrow from the 6. The 6 becomes a 5. This 0 becomes a 10. Then we borrow from the 10 and it becomes a 9. Then this 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the correct answer to this is 287 kids dropped out of the club. That's a lot of kids. It's a lot of kids. All right, everyone got that? All right, let's do the next example. All right. Okay. Example 2, or practice problem number 2. Edwin paid $65 for 5 tickets to the school play. He had $129 left. How much did Edwin have before he bought the tickets? Okay, so it's going to be sad. Money is separating. Do we know his starting amount? No, we don't. Do we know how much money went away?
Yes.
How much money did he spend?
65.
He spent $65. And do we know the difference?
Yes.
Yes, it is $129. All right, now, who do we circle? Who do we circle in this one? Sally. Nope, we don't circle the 129. We either circle the minuend or the sum. Grant. The minuend with it, which is S. And we want to get the unknown alone. So in this case, it's S circled. Ooh, that helps us. What are we going to do then, Angela, to solve this problem?
We're going to do 129 minus 65.
No.
Add it.
Add it. We're going to add it. Very good. We're going to add it because if it were subtracting, the S would be here. So we're going to add those. Don't do that in your head. Come over here and do chicken scratch or scratch work. Add them up. We're going to say S equals this. 9 plus 5 is?
14. Jump the 1.
Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is?
3.
Plus 6 is?
9.
9. Bring down the 1. So the correct answer is he started off with, he started off with $194. All right, does that make sense? All right, now, everyone got that on their paper?
No.
Get that on your paper. What I have on your paper is what I'm modeling for you to do on your homework, okay? All right, we have one more example. Okay, I hope everyone's copied it down now. Ooh. Okay, so write with me as I'm writing, okay? Third problem is number 3. An adventure team has 47 members. 18 of the members went camping, while the others went rafting. How many members went rafting? You know what? This doesn't seem like a sad problem to me. This seems like a combining problem. So what's the word plot for combining? Chesley? Yes, ma'am. Good. So right, S plus M equals T. We've got sum plus some more equals total. Do we know the total people?
Yes.
Yes. What's the total people?
47.
There's 47 members. We have one group that did one thing, and we did one group that did something else. Okay, so 18 went camping. We want to find out how many went rafting. Got it? Who do we circle? The minuend or the sum in this one? Sum, yes. And now we get, there is no minuend because it's not a subtraction problem. So we're going to get the M alone. All right, that means it can't be addition because if we're addition, it would equal 47. So we're going to say 47 minus 18. Come over here and do your chicken scratch. Please be writing this down, guys. 7 minus 8 can't do it. Regroup. 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is? 9. 3 minus 1 is? 2. The correct answer is 29 went rafting. All right, guys. Here's what I'm going to give to you to stick in there. This bonus problem Here it is. This is the bonus problem, but I'm going to give you the stick in there, and you can give it to me tomorrow, or once you figure it out. Tape this in there, the bonus problem. Write your name and your number on it.
I didn't get anything.
Yes, tape it in here. And we are going to do 5L17 tomorrow. Oops, here you go. And I guess we're going to take that power-up test tomorrow because we didn't get done with this. Let's see. Yes, sir. You need to be writing it as I'm writing. I think you got it. All right, so now, figure this out and then turn this back in tomorrow with your name on it. And tomorrow we're going to work on 5L17. Have a great day.